The Power 10 Xentrax Elgar high-power DC supply P66E-60332 6AB is a very heavy and beastly power supply that requires multiple people to safely move it from one cart to another. This monster of a power supply provides up to 60 volts DC and can provide 333 amps at that voltage, which makes this power supply a 20 kilowatt source. This power supply came to ERD with no output, and after extensive rebuild, we were able to get it fully operational. We tested this power supply at 50% of its rate output, as shown in the video. ERD has both the loading and input capabilities to power up large power supplies like this one. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.